Hello, my name is Zoe Esplin-Wright, and I'm excited to be taking this class. I am currently a senior. So in my final semester, I graduate in July. I could not be more excited about that. This is the final stretch. I am a web design and development major, so that explains why I'm taking this course, because it's required from a major. And I currently live in Sarasota, Florida, which is on the west coast of Florida, the Gulf Coast side, right by the coast. So I love being by the beach. It's been awesome. I'm originally from Idaho and then moved to Utah and went to BYU in Provo for a while before my husband and I moved here. We've lived in Florida for a couple years now. So I have really enjoyed living in such a warm climate, tropical climate. Everything's beautiful here. We're Disney World annual pass holders, and that's been really fun, and just going to the beach. So I love all of that. And something unique about me is I just love being creative. Anything that allows me to express my creativity, I absolutely enjoy. So I'm a graphic designer, and after I graduate, I plan on going into graphic design and social media marketing for my career. So that brings me to where my strengths would be for this class. I definitely really love the web design side. And so I feel like I have a really strong vision for UI design and understanding how a web page is going to flow and the best way that it can be used for the user experience. And so I really enjoy the design portion. I feel like that's my strength. And my weaknesses would probably be more of the back end, just because I really haven't had a lot of experience with back end yet. Pretty much my coding experience up until this point has been HTML, CSS, which I feel pretty comfortable with. And then I've done a little bit of JavaScript, but not too much past that. So looking forward to learning about that in this class. And although I don't really plan on having my career be in development, I know it will be important to have a background knowledge of those kinds of things. So looking forward to learning with you all this semester. Thanks.